Welcome to Clipper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to set gradient color on the background on Microsoft PowerPoint. So at first open up your PowerPoint. After that, if I open a blank presentation, now from here you can change your slide category. Just click on new slide option, and from here you can choose any kind of category or theme as you like. If I select it, then you have to select your specific slide and then right click on mouse, then click on format background. And here on the right side under the fill option you can find gradient fill. Just click here and that's it. You can see gradient background has been added successfully. Now if you want to change your background color, just click on color option. From here choose any kind of color. If I select it, from here you can change your gradient color part by part. Here you can find 4 part. If I select the part and then click on color option, now choose another color and then select this part, and then if I select yellow color, and that's it. And that way you can easily change your gradient color. And here you can find so many options to customize your gradient fill. If you want to increase or decrease transparency, just select any part. If I select this part, and from here you can increase or decrease your transparency. Also from here you can increase decrease your brightness, and from here you can change position. That's it. Also if you want to remove any color, then you can easily do it. Just select any part of color and then click on this cross icon, and you can see the color part has been deleted successfully. Also if you want to add any color part, just select it and then click on this plus icon, and that's it. You can also change your gradient type from here. Just click on type option and then choose any type. If I select rectangular, and that's it. And that is how you can add gradient fill or gradient color on the background on Microsoft PowerPoint. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.